Progress is impossible without real and sustainable change.
Real and sustainable change in the realms of culture, gender, entertainment, and sport comes with a bill of more than $3 billion in financial year 2018-2019. The ministry is determined to make every dollar count. The minister has said it.
2018, ladies and gentlemen, is a special year.
It's the year when her ministry will do more to enable a business environment for creative practitioners and continue the development of the national culture policy.
And we have a whole lot of wonderful heritage, songs and stories and proverbs.
Critical culture and heritage agencies will be financed to keep our museums open, restore select national monuments, and rehabilitate the country's heritage sites.
And we are on a schedule to ensure that all these sites are maintained, that they are open to access for people.
Access to public libraries is also assured through a $289.68 million allocation to the National Library of Jamaica, and $14 million is budgeted for the work of the National Council on Reparations. Jamaica is rich with indigenous flora and fauna that are as much a part of our heritage as any great house or monument. With support from the European Union, a special project will continue work to, among other things, launch an online image database for plants, animals, and ecosystems from Jamaica.
Men and women have to work together as equal partners.
While achieving gender equality is priceless, getting there requires strong capital input. This year, $293.9 million will allow the Bureau of Gender Affairs, Women's Center of Jamaica, and other agencies to do the necessary policy and outreach intervention to place women and men on a level playing field. Another special allocation of $19 million is booked to construct the Santa Cruz Outreach Center, increasing the number of teen mothers from that parish who are reintegrated into the formal school system. Jamaica's presence in the international sporting arena commands world regard. Government is spending more than $900 million in the new financial year to maintain and even enhance this. Much of the money will target clubs and other community sporting programs.
Because it is this kind of foundation that will put us in good stead to consistently perform well at the regional and international levels.
Upgrading and maintenance will continue at Independence Park Limited and the Trelawney Stadium, while the Institute of Sports and the Sports Development Foundation will get operational support. The ministry is also determined that Jamaican sport will be clean. And for the athletes who put in the hard work, resources are allocated to provide insurance coverage. Fiscal year 2018-2019, financing real and sustainable change in culture, gender, entertainment, and sport.